It's a beater box episode today. Let's get into this beater box. $1,525. It's a huge one. Stay tuned. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a $1,525 beater box from Soul Supremacy. These beater boxes are always purchased via soulsupremacy.com. You do need a membership in order to buy beater boxes though. I don't know why I keep hearing this all the time. Like, I go click on the beater boxes, they're always out of stock. It's because you can't see the inventory unless you're a member. And unfortunately, memberships aren't open right now. Hopefully they will be opening up again in the future, but that is the reason why you guys can't purchase right now. I sell like mini versions of the beater boxes every so often, so if you guys want to check that out, check out the web store, untiedhawaii.com. Sometimes it pops there as well. But yeah, Soul Supremacy has a lot of other stuff to offer, so highly recommend you guys check them out. I think they just completed a move to a new shop too, which is really dope. So yeah, congratulations to them, man. I'm not sure if their inventory is back online yet, but stay tuned on soulsupremacy.com to check it out more. This video is not sponsored by Soul Supremacy. They never are. It's just that that's where I get these boxes from. I purchase them every single week with my own money, and hopefully we make money on them, which it really hasn't been the case recently. Like, we make a little bit of money, but the boxes haven't been super hyped. So hopefully that changes with this 1525 box. And anyway, speaking of sponsorships, I do want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. You guys know what Rose Gold and Black is, man. I talk about it all the time. It's because I love the company, and it's because they really match my personal style. You guys know I am a minimalistic kind of dude. I don't wear flashy colors. Like, this is literally the only blue shirt in my wardrobe, I think. Yes. So yeah, there's not too much going on there, but Rose Gold and Black always adds a little bit of pop to whatever I'm wearing, and that's what I love about it, man. Definitely love this one, man. It's just so clean and it's so easy to use with like whatever you're wearing. Also got that RGB watch on, which you guys can check it out on the screen over here. But this thing is just very, very nice, dude. Like, and it really just comes down to like subtle styles. If you guys are into that stuff though, be sure to click on the link in the description below. Click on that link, it will take you to RGB, where you will get 25% off your order. Very inexpensive and very high quality products. So thank you again to RGB, and let's get into this beater box. $1,525. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna be straight. This looks like it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Okay, so first things first is we have a pair of Jordan 8s up in here. This one is in a size 11, and man, this is an old shoe. It's 2007. You guys can check it out over here. No idea what this colorway is called. Not a big fan of Jordan 8s, but I know a lot of people are. And this pair itself is not too bad for a 12-year-old pair. For a 12-year-old pair, this is pretty clean. So if you guys are interested in this, it will be on untiedhawaii.com. Hopefully upload it today, man. I've been getting pretty good with my uploads to the website, so hopefully it's there. If not, about 24 hours or so, and it'll be live on there. Additionally, if you guys want, you guys can follow me on Twitter at untiedhawaii. I usually tweet out links that the web store is updated, so if you guys want to be like the first ones to see the shoes, that's where you go. We got a pair of Air Force Ones here. This is in the size 11.5. Standard triple white Air Force One. I don't know if this is like a special collab colorway or anything like that. It looks like literally just a standard AF1. No markings, nothing like that. Not too much use at all. Very, very white, very clean shoe. No box though. Man, a lot of shoes without boxes. I'm telling you guys, there's a lot. There's like 3 more left, it looks like. We'll get into this one, which was kind of buried in there. This is a pair of Jordan 13 Breads. This one is a size 12. Whoa, okay. I don't know how old this pair is, man, but this is not the recent release one. This is an older pair, but you guys can check it out over here. Jordan 13 Bread, very clean colorway. And this one is a lot older. Leather is pretty worn, you can see over here. But the bottoms, I mean, they're not bad. So I'm kind of confused. It might just be that it's a very, very old shoe. That is another one. Whew. What is this called? Cherry Woods. This one is in a size 12 though, and it is from 2001. 2001, guys. Imagine that. That is 18 years ago. This shoe is older than some of you guys watching right now, so that's crazy, dude. Anyway, check it out. It is a Jordan 18. It does have this cover on the top over here. No sole separation on this one either, which is a good sign. Overall, still good quality, but when you're thinking of like an 18-year-old shoe, it's not like you're supposed to wear these anyway, dude. Like, if you do end up wearing these, they're just gonna like pop on your feet. Like, it will literally explode while you're wearing it. So do not wear these. Certain shoes you can. This one I know for a fact because my friend busted his like wide open because he wore it and he wasn't supposed to. It was like 10 years old, I think. So I know they can like break down really easy. So don't wear these. This is more of a collective piece. Okay, thankfully, last shoe without a box, pretty used. If you think of a beater, this is exactly what it looks like. Has like yellow markings all over it. Leather is very worn on the front. Suede is very dirtied up. Bottoms, actually that's not too bad. But you can see a lot of like creasing on the leather over here as well too. So this was a very worn shoe. Not sure what the value is on this one at all, but if you guys want it, let me know. This is probably going for not too much money. And we still got 5 shoe boxes in here, so this is a huge box. Next one out, Jordan 2 Q54 size 6. You guys know what this is. All right, so I think this is a dead stock pair. This is the Kai 54s, and this is actually a pretty solid colorway. Size 6, so if you guys are interested in this, let me know. Size 5. All right, see, this is the kind of stuff that I'm not really a big fan of. This is a 5.5, and I'm pretty sure it's the exact same shoe. Looky here, we've seen this before. It's the exact same shoe. So I guess they're unloading their inventory of these. I'm not sure why. If you guys want to get these, there's a 6 now and a size 5.5 as well. Hopefully there's good value on this, man. I'm not too sure about those. All right, so we got a couple shoes left. This one is a Jordan 11, size 9.5. I believe this is the Concords based off of the box. And these are like the old school Concords though. So this one is the 2011 release though. You guys can see a lot of creasing back here on the back heel. Some creasing over the toe box. Bottoms aren't very icy anymore. You can see a lot of discoloration here too. And because the Concords re-released, these older models don't really hold much value unless you're like a collector at this point. So Jordan 11s usually retain value pretty well. So I'm hoping that there's something good out of that. Okay, 2 shoes left, both hype, thankfully. This one is a size 10.5 350 model, or 350 model. Oof, not hype. This is a pair of Yeezy blue tints, and they're not pretty. Like, look at that boost. Very, very dirty boost on the bottom. Insides don't look super worn. Uppers look okay, but again, blue tints, they don't have great value because there's just so much stock of them, and especially this size, it's not very money. So yeah, I mean, there's some value there, not a lot. Yeezy market is not the same anymore. Like, unless it's dead stock, you can get a lot of the used pairs for pretty cheap now. So if you guys are looking for Yeezys, not specifically just that one, I would check out GOAT. Their used selection of Yeezys are actually really cheap, so I'll check them out. You can pretty much get whatever you want on there now. Nike swoosh. Nike swoosh means it's an off-white. Box is kind of damaged, which sucks. But this one is a size 10 from the 10 collection. Woo, okay. And this is the pair of the Air Force Ones. Still has a zip tag here. You guys can see the insoles are pretty darn clean. Bottoms also pretty clean. I don't believe this is dead stock, which would have been super sick. Obviously, that's the highlight of the box though, and obviously that's gonna be like where most of the money is made. So for this $15.25 box, I'm not really feeling it. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this was a good box at all. It's been really weird with the beater boxes recently, man. Like $1,500 for this amount of shoes. Like, maybe there's good value on here, but you gotta think like a lot of these shoes don't have boxes. They're not gonna be easy movers. It doesn't look very, very good. It doesn't matter what the potential profit over here says. Ease of movability is a big part of like this resale game. So I'm not feeling it. Hopefully our next box is solid though. I mean, you just got to keep trucking along. It's still early in the year. There's a lot of time to come up on some huge grails. So fingers crossed, guys. I mean, we stick with it, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to check out any of these shoes, go to untiedhawaii.com. Linked in the description below. Thank you again to RG&B, very dope minimalistic jewelry company, for sponsoring this video. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.